Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to remove your profile picture on your Facebook account. Okay, so if you don't like your to have a profile picture anymore on Facebook, so just remove it. Okay, so just follow the steps. Just tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on your profile. Okay, and then from here you can now see your profile picture. Just click on it. And then from the list of the options here, just tap on the see profile picture. Okay, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then from the list of the options here, you can now see the delete photo. Okay, just tap on it and then confirm to delete the photo. Just tap on delete. I just wait for a few seconds. So now your profile picture on Facebook has been removed. So that's how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos in the future. Bye.